Welcome back. Let's shift focus to the commodity markets now. Manisha Gupta is here to give us a quick over to you.
Well, thank you for that. I'm looking at the nickel prices, which continue to be a big metal space. We're actually trading at a 2.5-year lows right now, and the prices are very close to April 2021 levels there. If you look at the prices in the month of October, we've seen 7% of a decline, and for the month of November now we're down by 7% yet again. So in a matter of last couple of months, we are down by nearly 14%. If you look at the year then, in 2023 till time, on LME the prices have declined by 45%, and in Shanghai the prices are down by 36% as well. So this is the worst performer that we've seen in metal space, within commodities as well. Such sharp declines is something that you're not witnessing in other metals or industrial commodities there. Well, the reason is that you have seen a rise in supplies in Indonesia, and that's creating a global surplus. Indonesia could account to nearly 70% of nickel production in the next 5 years. At this point in time, their market share is almost at around 40 to 50% there. The markets also are rearranging their supply chain after Russia and Ukraine conflict. Remember, 10% of global nickel comes in from Russia, but the markets are moving away from Russia with the kind of sanctions that we've seen come in from that one there. The EV makers within China also seem to be now turning towards lithium ferrophosphate batteries, and this does not need cobalt or nickel, and that is what is putting some bearish pressure in case of nickel prices there. They now command nearly 60% of market share, so that tells you that the nickel demand from here as well seems to be declining, and that is putting pressure. Inventories in Shanghai are at a multi-year highs. We've seen March 2021 numbers coming back in sense of inventories. I also want to take you through the table on what production, consumption and surplus looks like in this year as compared to the previous year. So that is really the picture. If you look at the mine production numbers, we are higher in sense of production there. When you look at the refined production, that number is also higher in this year. That as far as demand goes, well, we have seen a percentage change on a year-on-year basis onto that one. But with the kind of increase in production that we are looking at, last year nickel was in surplus of 60,000, right now at 155,000. So we are dealing with huge nickel surplus in the global markets, and that will continue to put pressure going forward.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Manisha.